Hello, friends. Hope you all are good and doing well and managing your entire activities very safely. Now, I am here just to guide the future prospective students how they should take up their competence enhancement via the management system courses. Let me tell you that I have about more than 25 years of experience in this in the profession which I am, and I've also worked in the manufacturing facility for a couple of years, and then after that I have been auditing and into this management system domain for a very long time. I'm also an auditor, and I keep auditing and meeting a lot of people, including the managing directors, the CEOs, and I get to know a lot of information and their inputs about how they are working and what is their pain points at times as well. Now, the times have begun in such a way that I think industry needs a lot of manpower, a lot of people, especially people who have studied, but also they have add-ons and additional knowledge, additional skills, sometimes practical as well. And most of these CEOs and MDs, what they prefer is that they want to get people on board who are something like plug and play, whom they hire, and they have the necessary skill and competence, and they start delivering right from maybe after a couple of days of induction, then they are ready to deliver. Now, as a student or as a upcoming professional, I think it is very important for you to get into a mode where you want to upgrade your skills gradually in whichever manner you can and in your area of interest primarily. And these courses which we are doing, which is management system related courses, whether it is the basics, which is ISO 9001, or which is environmental related, which is ISO 14001, which is health and safety related, ISO 45001, or whether it is IT related, or whether it is food related. So a lot of these management systems have been tailored for various sectors. Now, based on your core competence, based on your liking, I think that these days it is very important that while you are studying, or while you are just about to complete, or you have just completed your courses, I think there is an appropriate time which you can find, so that you can enroll yourself into these courses, and this will surely enhance the probability of you getting into a job profile, wherein your selection process can be made far more easier from your perspective, and you become a highly probable candidate to be selected, and you can probably also beat the competition. Now, look at from a point of view wherein as me as an director or as an owner of an organization, now if I have to hire someone, maybe a fresh or maybe 1 or 2 years of experience, then I will surely look for someone who has some additional multi skills along with him. Now, those multi skilling could be those skills which surely must be your preferences for sure, but then it should also match up with our preferences. Now, as an industrialist, if or as an MD of a manufacturing company, now if I want to hire someone, then I will surely look at some prospective candidate who has enough knowledge, enough skill, or a certification program into the area of expertise which I am looking at. So, from my point of view, I think it is very important that you must skill up, you must look out for programs, and it should be in your core domain. And these management system courses do play, if not a larger role, then a smallest possible role which I can think of in your career enhancement. And I have seen it with my experience that there is a dearth at the moment in the industry with people who are good, who are competent, who have multiple skills, who have done multiple certifications. And I don't look at many people who have these skills and they are not getting an opportunity. So I think it's very important for people like the fresh students, people who have just passed out, or people who want to who have the initial set of years of experience, but they still want to do well. So I would really like to highly recommend the entire people, the fraternity of students and the recently qualified people, that they must pick up any of these courses, because these are all sectorial courses. So you can really choose your sector and build your competency in this. So I want to highly recommend this, and I wish that you all be judicious in this judgment and go ahead and choose it, because it doesn't really cost much and in terms of money, and it really doesn't cost in terms of time also, because these are small courses with less duration of time. Maybe the courses can be done over the weekend, which can save your time. It can be optimized. These courses are sometimes online as well. So a lot of these features are there which can really help you to decide and come forward. So come to QSEA and connect with us, and we will help you do these courses. Okay, thank you very much.